Was fulfilling a question, some records that I believe Captain Oremus released everything to you, but you're saying he didn't.
In July, you responded to Ms. Iceland in regards to my discovery questions.
Okay.
In your response to her, you stated Nancy is in the process of gathering XYZ information. I don't know if you remember that email. I didn't include the entire email, but I gave you a copy of your email.
Okay.
So if you read that, it says, in response to Mr. LaHote's discovery questions, I had 38 questions, da-da-da-da-da. Nancy is responding and going to gather, et cetera, et cetera. That was 3 months ago.
Okay.
Okay. I'm here asking again if Nancy is done collecting that information, and can I have my records? That's mine.
Anything that
No,
Nancy
those
collected.
are runs.
These are the ones
Oh,
that I
I-
set down.
I'm sure that's what I said. I wanted to make sure that you
Anything that Nancy collected went to, we go right to, for any discovery request, it's not open records, it goes to the city attorney's office. And so from there, what gets released, it gets released. I can verify that that in fact went that way to be released, but I have
Okay.
no belief that we still possess that. I think that went back over. But I'll verify that and we'll get that.
That's your answer, and that's fine. And this is what I'm going to say. I did receive some paperwork on August 11th, 2015, when I went to pretrial. It is not, or I should say the paperwork that is not included in that is the paperwork when I was arrested on June 11th, 2014, and any of the paperwork in my custodial care for the 2 days that I was here. The police report is dated 9 months after my arrest, is what I received from Mr. Carpenter. That's what they gave me on August 11th. I've asked for the police report from the day that I was arrested, which is June 11th, 2014, as well as all the records of when I was in jail. I have not received that.
I'm not sure what you're asking about. 2000, I'd have to look at the records. We deal with a lot of records.
I was arrested on June 11, 2014.
I thought it was a February case.
It started in February. I was arrested in June.
Okay.
I guess
For the February complaint? Is that what it was?
That is the question I have asked. What did you arrest me for?
Okay.
I still don't know what you arrested me for. I know what
Hold
you're
on. Let me look up your name in the file here and find out a little
is
bit.
is
11th arrest.
The thing that happened in June is simply a result of it not being a state charge and going to municipal charge. They're both disorderly conduct. One was a state charge, and DA's office said they won't prosecute it, so it's come back and has been issued as a citation. That's what the June contact is for. So it's the same case, it's the same everything. It's just now goes from state charge to municipal charge of disorderly conduct.
That's correct. It's a municipal charge, an ordinance violation, disorderly conduct.
Correct.
I know what you're charging me with. What did I do?
The charge is all related back to that February case. That's what this is.
And this is what I'm asking you. I get arrested in June, 4 months after whatever happened at McDonald's.
Correct.
And I've asked, what did I do at McDonald's to get arrested?
That's the report.
Just let me finish.
Okay, go ahead.
Where is the report that specifies what I got arrested for in June for whatever I did in February? And I've asked for that paperwork.
So you don't have a copy of the incident report through the discovery request?
Nothing. Nothing that has anything to do with June 11, 2014, the day that I was arrested, and I spent 2 days in solitary confinement in this jail here, and I want that paperwork of when I was in custodial care for those 2 days, as well as a police report from Carpenter and Detective Fine, both of them, dated June 11, 2014.
There may not be a report specific to that date if this is
No.
from a February case.
I have a hard time believing that, just let me finish and I'll get out of your hair. I have a hard time believing that you can arrest somebody in June 11th, 2014, and there's no paperwork that says I
Can you take
arrested.
like 5 steps that way? I think she's gonna come, no, other way.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying, is I was arrested in June 11th. I know there's paperwork that says on today's date, I arrested this person, I put him in jail, da-da-da-da-da. That's what I want.
Okay.
I want the
I
police.
will look at, and that may be those, whatever paperwork that I referred to Nancy providing. I will look to see where that paperwork went. Should have been provided to the CA's office to be provided to you. I will make sure that in fact did happen, or where that ball was dropped, and we'll find out where that is. And if in fact it was not delivered to them, we will get them a copy so that they can deliver it to you. Or we'll ask them and they can have it, we can have you pick it up here. Either which way, it doesn't matter to me.
Okay.
But if in fact you haven't been provided that and they're okay with it going through discovery process, then we'll release it, so.